What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here at the Morikami Gardens in beautiful Delray Beach, Florida, right outside of Boca Raton. And we're doing a little walking tour. We're currently in the bonsai garden area. And this is all the bonsais in training. So cool. Not a bad job, huh? Taking care of all these bonsais. I'm gonna go inside, get a little AC. It's about 100 degrees today, but it's all good. Need the exercise. Brought an extra change of shirt. Here with my wife and daughter. Ooh, yeah. I don't think there's any AC in here, but wow, it's beautiful. Wow. So cool.
There's the houses.
Go inside.
Yeah, it's all the different furniture.
Oh, cool. Can you open this for me?
In order to bring back knowledge and scientific innovations. One such citizen
Thank you.
who went to the There's mildew in it, right?
Yeah.
Look at the other one. 1874 to a samurai household in the located along
Where the Yamato family immigrated from over to
New Jersey who came here to get his bachelor's in
That's him. He was 89.
That's really long.
See, this was his farm. And you know Yamato Road? That's named after him.
Yeah, because that's the traditional place for the name of the Yamato.
Yeah, that's after him.
That's
him.
Wow.
He grows his own food, he owns his own.
Smart, because it's a 90.
Japanese museum.
Wow, it's beautiful. Wood carving. Look at it in there. That's how they used to live back in 1392 to 1573.
See how cool their designs were? Mm-hmm. So freaking cool.
It does look like a sushi restaurant. What's the other room? There's only one more room, right? And then we can keep walking. This is such a nice painting. That one right there.
So pretty.
That's freaking awesome.
Wow.
And Walnut City.
There's another area.
somebody.
I think that's it, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. So this is just like a little detour?
Yeah. I wonder where he lived. Like, yeah, they said, what was his house? They used the. Maybe that was his house right there. Maybe this was his house. And he was made it. Right?
Well, this is his bonsai garden.
Where was his house then?
I don't know.
Probably something like this, because that's how the look of Japan, that's how he built it. Right? I think they might have. Yeah, they don't have like houses like that. Or maybe his house was the museum part. Oh, it could have been. You're right. Usually they keep the house and we have one of these big shopping. I was going to see today where he usually his house and it's front. And it has his house and you can go in it.
Buddha, 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 Buddha everywhere. Such a cool Buddha.
Oh yeah, it says it's on its own island in the garden. Oh, wait.
That was his house?
Yeah, that was it. I was right. I said that this was
Alright, I guess that was Mr. Morikami's house back in the day.
that's how they used to live.
I would live there. That's really...
When I was here, that was the same. And they were fixing it. That was his house. That was exactly what I would appreciate it. Maybe just sit there and eat on the floor, you know. You just eat outside.
Look at that. This looks like something out of a movie. It's amazing.
It's like he's stuffing into different.
Wow, what is this? That's...
There's his casket.
Oh, these are his graves?
Yeah, this is where they're buried. Wow. Look at these trees. Look, and someone thinks they're more special with their boyfriend. They call it.
Beautiful.
No, thank you. Okay. You can make it free. Oh. I think that's his grave, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's him.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Like everywhere you look, like you could do paintings here
Yeah.
or take really nice photography.
And many,
Like this right here. Like look how cool that is.
mm-hmm. This is exactly how it'd be.
Like that would be a really cool screensaver. This right here.
Mm-hmm. We didn't have any AC. We didn't hear. Back then they didn't hear.
Like they could model a video game after this. Like a cool map. Like look at this bamboo tree. Like that's insanity.
Memorial garden.
That's freaking cool.
These trees. Real cool.
Very cool. That's something you don't see every day. Bamboo in your garden. Where's this go? Up here, Nelly. It's like a lookout.
So this is what was it when he was here, Jeffrey? Did he walk up here? Or did he just made it? Yeah.
He just ate what he grew, right? Look at these areas to chill. It's like so peaceful here. What's that growing on the tree right here, Nelly? Right here. Those red things. I wonder what those are. See them?
Yeah.
You can grab one. Maybe it's poison though. I don't know.
Looks like a fake apple.
Here, let's see.
Oh wait. Freak out my nose. Crab apple?
What does it smell like?
Nothing. I think what it would be. It kind of gives me like a look texture.
If it's red, it must be something that they only have in Japan, but it has a seed in there.
It's a crab apple, right? It has a big seed in there now.
Interesting. If anyone can let me know in the comments, what do you think those were? A plum? Japanese plum? Yeah, they're everywhere on the ground. All right, we're 12 minutes in. I guess we'll do a part 4 after we take a nice picture of this really cool Buddha. Appreciate you guys watching, and stand by for part 4 of the video. It's very, very cool. I've never been here before, and so far I am blown away. Well worth the 14 bucks. So again, if you're in Boca Raton, this is Delray Beach, Morikami Gardens here in Delray Beach. Just look it up and have a wonderful experience. Well worth the 14 bucks. Catch you guys in the next one. Watch the next video for part 4.